Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Java Stories, and today we are going to see yet another question on the Java Stream APIs. To, to watch this video, I sincerely request you to watch my previous video, because this video we are going to use a lot of Collectors API and you should know very well about those APIs which I have discussed in my previous video. So now which kind of a data set we have? We have a data set of the Bollywood movies, and let me just show you first the CSV of this is the Bollywood movie CSV. We have a lot of movies in it right from the 1952. Then we have a movie name, year of release, genre, whether it's action or comedy. Then we have a list of directors. Most of the time there's only one director, but we could have multiple directors as well. And the list of cast, nearly all the major actor cast, we have a list of those stuff. We have created a Bollywood entity. Very simple: ID, title year, release year, genre, actors and directors. As I've said, actors are like multiple and so is the director. The same way we are just reading all the CSV file with the help of CSV reader. We have created a list of Bollywood. Now the question is, we have to find the actor who has done the maximum movies in a year. Suppose in the 1997, if Shah Rukh Khan has done 5 movies and no other actor has done more than 5 movies in any of the years, right from 1952 till 2024, then the Shah Rukh Khan wins, and we have to print in 1997 Shah Rukh Khan has done the most movies. Sometimes there may be a tie. Suppose Amitabh Bachchan in 1984 has done 7 movies, Shah Rukh Khan has done 7 movies in 1997, so we have to print both the years 1984 and 1997 along with how many movies they have done, that is 7, and also the actor name. Sometimes there is also tie within the same year. Suppose in 1997 both Akshay and Shah Rukh has done 7 movies, and in 1984 Amitabh Bachchan and Shatrughan Sinha has done 7 movies, and they are the highest, 7 is the highest among all the years. Then we have to print both the years along with, in 1984 Amitabh Bachchan and Shatrughan Sinha, in 1997 Shah Rukh Khan and Akshay Kumar. So these we have to print, and this classify as a very hard problem in the Stream APIs, and we will look into how we could solve this problem step by step. This video is going to be a very long video. Please bear with me. Let's see how we could solve this problem. We need to create a lot of maps here, map after map. So first, the map will be of key as year, and of course we just grouping by, the value will be list of Bollywood only. From this map, what I need to do, I need to create a map of year, key as year, value as it will be a map. And how this will be a map? Key as actor and the value as number of movies they have done. So for example, I will take two parts. Suppose 1984, this is a map, and suppose Amitabh Bachchan has done 4 movies, Rekha has done 2 movies, and Shatrughan Sinha has done 4 movies. This is the first value, and the second value, (1985) or 1997, same Shah Rukh has done 4 movies. Suppose Ravina has done 3 movies, and Akshay has done 4 movies. Suppose this is a map we have created from the next step number 2. Now we are going back to the step number 3. From here we need to find the maximum among all these actors. and we need to just preserve the list. So from here we need to create a map as key will be, of course, will be here, and value will be something like this. I just do not need Rekha here. I just need Amitabh Bachchan and Shatrughan Sinha. Similarly for 1997 it should look like this. Shahrukh has 4 and this has 4. Now for individual year we have find the list of actors who have done the maximum movies. Now from here what kind of a map I need to create? I need to create something like this. 4, and then we have a list of this like 1984, like a list of map.entries value we need to create, which is Amitabh, Shatrughan. This a list of map.entries we need to create, and this should be 1997 Shahrukh and Amitabh. This I need to create, this kind of a map I need to create. Hopefully you get my point. These things we need to do it, and we just need to print the last map.entry value. So let's see how we could do this. The first step, we need to map of year and the value as a list of Bollywood. Now I am going into my presentation mode, and let's see how we could solve this. The first step is stream collect collectors.groupingBy Bolly. I need to do on the release year. I just need to collectors.toList. If I see, we are able to do this. Now from this list of Bollywood, I need to create a map like this. Amitabh Bachchan 4, Rekha 2. Basically all the actors along with their counting of movies. So I need to do something on this now. So I need to do something else. I need to do a collectors dot, because from every Bollywood movie I need to fetch the actor, and this list of Bollywood corresponds to a particular year. So we have a very nifty method in the collectors, which is flat mapping, because from Bollywood I need to fetch a stream of actors. So poly dot actors dot stream, and I need to pass a downstream collector as well, because I need to create a map now for each of these actors. I need to group these actors according to the number of movies they have done. So if it has to be a grouping by, I am going to receive an actor, and it's going to receive an actor because this is a function identity. I need to group based on the actor, and I just need to count them. Counting, because this is what we need. Just remove this and just take in a new variable, and let's see what it's print. I will show you the year 1997. See, 1997 million, we have got all the actors along with the number of movies they have done year wise. Milind Gunaji has done 1 movie, Ravina Tandon has done 1 movie, Jackie Shroff has done 2 movies, Sunil Shetty has done 2 movies, Mahima Chaudhary has done 1. Similarly, Let's see how much Shah Rukh Khan has done in year 1997. Shah Rukh Khan has done 4 movies. This is what we have done. This part we are able to do it. Now for each and every year we need to find actor's name who has done the maximum movies. This is now our aim to do it. Let's see how we could do it. We need to do something on this. And which part of the code has done this? This part of the code has done this thing. And the first part of the code, this has been done by this, right? So we need now a finisher, because we need to do some operation on this map. And to do this we have a very nifty method which I have talked about in my previous video, Collectors.collectingAndThen. I need to pass my map here and need to do operation on it. This is a map. First of all, I need to invert this map first. I need the year first, and then I need the actors, list of actors in that. We have done this so many times. Entry set dot map, dot grouping by, entry, and based on entry dot get value we need to do grouping by. This what I really want to do. And after doing this I need to find the max. Let me do a max on it. Entry set dot stream dot max, map dot entry dot comparing by key. This I really want to do, and this is what I really want to see in my result. See, we have integer, of course optional. I need to open the optional. Let me remove this optional. So we have a map.entry long and the list of actors in it. So let me just print out this collect. Let's see 1997. If you see, in 1997 all these actors have done 4 movies and they are the highest. In 1998 Raveena Tandon has done 5 movies and they are the highest. Now from here we need to find that year in which an actor has done the maximum movies. From all these years we have to find that year in which an actor has done the maximum movies. And there could also be a tie. Suppose in 1998 Raveena has done 5 movies, and maybe in 1999 suppose Salman Khan has also done the 5 movies. Then we have to show both the years, and whenever there is a tie and we are trying to find the maximum, what we need to do, we need to reverse the list. So how we are going to reverse this list? This we are going to see. I'm just going to save. This is basically a map where we have a map of this as a key, and then we have another map with 6, basically map.entry as key, and then we have a list of basically those entry set. So now let's open a stream on this map, entry set dot stream, and I need to group by, because I want to reverse this map, and I need to group by on this value, that is the number of movies actors have done. So collectors.groupingBy, and this value is basically an en dot get value dot get g. Now in the second part I need to collect this. I want to create a list of DTOs now, basically when I'm trying to group on this thing, and the DTO type is, let me open a new record, int year, and this list of strings as actors. So I want to create a list of this record BO. So this can be done with the help of mapping. First of all, I need to map the values in the BO, and then I have to do a collectors.toList in the second parameter of the mapping. First, I need to define the key. Basically, this record BO. So I again receive an EN, and this is a new BO. And what is new BO is en dot get key is the year, and I need to find a list of strings. So en dot get value gives me that second part of the map, which is of course a map itself. I have to get the value of that map as well, and this is also an entry of string and long, but nevertheless we could open a stream on it, and then we could do a map e dot get key, and then I need to make a to list. And the second parameters I need to pass is collectors.toList. And if I check this, we have got our result. We have the long and the list of BO. I just need to sort based on this. This is basically like 7, 4, 3. 7 means how many actors have done 7 movies in which year. It's that kind of a list of BO we have made. And if I just do a max by, open an entry set, open a stream, and do a max on it, and if I do a comparator dot, we could just pass a map dot entry dot comparing by key and dot get, and this is my answer. This will return only a one value. Something is problem here. It's the max here. Map dot entry dot get comparing by key dot get is my answer. Let me collect this in an answer. Let me just show this ANS. Let us run. Oh, we have print this as well. Let me just comment this out, and let's see. See, Shah Rukh Khan has done in 1995 7 movies. Akshay Kumar in year 2006 has done 7 movies. This is what we want to achieve in our answer. So I hope you get the gist. You may get confused somewhere down here in the collectors.mapping. We basically have to get the value and the value, and then we have to map into the string part of that map dot entry value. If you watch this video again and again, I am very sure that you are going to get the gist out of it. If you have any problem, please comment this out in the comment section. I may clear your doubt by making another video. Till then, keep enjoying my playlist. Please share, please subscribe, and please like this video if this video has been any kind of a help to you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.